Who's got the chocolate?
No,
Ooh,
pickle.
who's got the chocolate?
Second.
Chocolate. You want some chocolate? Ethan, you want some chocolate? Yes.
Second.
You suck it. You give a piece for Ethan. You
Second.
gonna give a piece for Aiden? Aiden, I was gonna have him give you a piece.
Second.
Suck it, suck it. Ethan, suck it, suck it. Ethan.
Then let's take a cheese. Take a picture.
Take a picture.
Chocolate.
What you got?
Go
Chocolate.
open it this way.
Oh, you gonna open it?
Go open.
Open the chocolate. What you got?
Open it.
Huh?
What's inside this chocolate?
Oh no.
Yummy heart.
This is not me heart. Is it good?
No. This stuff is delicious.
It's delicious.
Hearty.
Thanks for putting your wrappers in the garbage.
You're welcome.
Is it yummy, Ethan? Mmm.
Yummy.
Nummy. Good job. Ethan, this is good.
Much more chocolate.
More chocolates. What's in your mouth? What are you eating?
More chocolate?
What you got?
I know much more.
More chocolate. You got it.